Hello everyone, my name is Kaneko, the chairman of GMOあおぞらネット銀行. I'd like to thank you for this wonderful opportunity to meet with you today. We are a joint venture between GMO Internet and Aozora Bank, started in 2018, the youngest challenger bank in Japan, powered by the combination of top internet IT and robust financial institution. As such a newcomer in the banking industry, we are creating the next generated digital bank with our vision of all for our customers strive to be number one tech bank. I would like to start to share my thoughts on the trends of the financial industry and the challenges. As you know, the recently 2 years has dramatically changed the world with the spread of the COVID-19. Remote work and cashless payment have become popular, especially in Japan. Digital transformation has accelerated in everything about corporate activities and all of life. For example, elder people no longer hesitate online shopping. People like to access and pull information over the YouTube and SNS. The most important thing is a major change in people's mind about digital society has happened in the past 2 years. This is not a future dream. We believe to become a realistic goal to work towards. Another important thing is financial inclusion and diversity. The dynamism of economic activities has created these opportunities. On the other hand, there are still many people who remain underserved or unsatisfied with existing financial services. As you know, new innovative financial services like FinTech are emerging every day to solve these challenges. We recognize to provide new services to these new users by using IT directly or indirectly. Even before the spread of the COVID-19, we have been supporting our clients for this digital transformation through cloud-based accounting system, banking APIs, eKYC, and this back-office process simplification. Continue to share this success of the digital transformation. We believe that all these elements are in place for embedded finance to begin spreading. Now we are working on many initiatives. Today, I'd like to introduce one of these embedded finance. There are still very few users who knows embedded finance differently from experts like you. However, in fact, behind the scene of the payment system and applications in use, some of banking functions have already been incorporated as part of balance inquiries, payment function, online coupons, rewarding program, and so on. You know, those are beginning to naturally blend into our daily life. Now let me introduce our embedded finance in more specific. At first, banking API, one of the core services we are focusing on the most. Almost 200 companies are right now accessing our services through our banking API. We provide not just the balance API, but also webhook, charge API, and identify confirmation API. Second, our competitive service model of embedded finance. The speed of digital transformation and progress towards the digital society are faster than we can imagine. And our client banking APIs and banking parts are not enough to be integrated into the increasingly sophisticated digital user experience. We are confident to be the leading provider of banking APIs in Japan. However, we decided to further transforming ourselves and launch new service in this July. We call it Simple and Quick Embedded Finance Service. Our embedded finance service are including the existing banking APIs, banking function parts like SDK, and banking as a service. We have started to expand these functions to make available to not only FinTech, but also not FinTech business. Finally, I'd like to introduce our new initiative, Ichiba. Ichi mean make market, Ba mean, as you know, communication. By one word, this is a marketplace of embedded finance on AWS. To naturally spread the word of embedded finance, we reached the conclusion that we need to launch ecosystem. At Ichiba, every business person and engineer can bring these ideas, promote, leverage, and distribute embedded finance. We have already provided the banking API sandbox environment for all engineers free of charge since 2020. We call Sunaba. So people can leverage the both bar family, which is the Ichiba for the embedded finance marketplace and Sunaba for the banking API sandbox environment. In the world of the embedded finance, where there is a wide range of players, established such this ecosystem is crucially important. I believe that it's our mission imposed on number one tech bank. We continue to the development of embedded finance, not only in our company, but also in the world. I'd like to bring to today's conclusion. The main players in embedded finance will be the companies that provide the digital services and the end user who enjoy digital experiences. In near future, banks are required not only to provide traditional function services in the narrow sense, but also to make tireless efforts to create systems where banking service can be easily used by all people. We continue to create seamless financial contacts through our strengths of banking APIs and embedded finance. At it, we want to continue to provide innovative digital service as an invisible bank. We usually say, be not like a bank. We continue to aim number one challenge bank and also number one tech bank. Thank you so much for your attention. Today, I hope you to enjoy World FinTech Festival. Thank you.